Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's September in Ohio, and tomorrow is opening day of archery season. We're here in Coshocton County. We're going to sit 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. Let's see what happens. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Okay, guys, the hard work has already started. Both my stands are up on a ridge line outside of town here. I'm on a 75-acre plot, and I can't tell yet if there's cows in here this year, but sometimes there are. We're going to go check out both my stands, make sure they're looking good and ready for the morning. Okay, here's the view from the first stand after I trimmed a few trees. This is a great little ridge. Little shot from the second stand, my most likely pick for the morning. Okay, y'all, we're at the Coshocton County Fair. A little story on this gigantic buck. It was poached last year, and the poacher was assigned almost $28,000 as restitution to the people of Ohio. Okay, quiet first morning. A lot of squirrels, a lot of walnuts falling, but not many deer on the move. We're going to climb down out of the stand and probably head back to the fair today. Okay guys, opening day, Ohio archery. We are back in the stand for our afternoon sit. We've had some intermittent rain showers. And it's about 5:30, sunset 7:30. So we're gonna sit for a couple hours and see what happens. Okay guys, I want to tell you what happened. Right at dark, nice 8-pointer came through and I shot him. If anything, the arrow may have been an inch or two farther back than I wanted, but I think I heard him crash. We're gonna go back to the house, give him a minute, and then we'll come back and look for blood. I'm not gonna wait too long though. It's about 70 degrees out, so. All right guys, we got one stuck. Hopefully we find him.